have the hiccups?
Yeah, it's pretty bad right now, RFK.
Here, try this hiccup straw.
What is this?
You just drink through it like a normal straw, and it cures the hiccups.
They're gone just like that?
Exactly.
That's actually pretty crazy. How does this thing even work?
So there's a small hole in the bottom, and it creates enough pressure in your diaphragm to actually end the hiccups.
It's actually so cool. Where can I get one of these?
There should be a link down here by the orange shopping cart. You can go check it out there.